Hello everyone. Today I will discuss the topic how nature communicates and how it affects human life. Nature communicates in various ways, primarily through its elements, patterns, and processes. Here are a few ways nature communicates and its impact on human life. First, visual beauty. Nature speaks through its breathtaking landscapes, beautiful, vibrant colors of flowers, and intricate designs. The sight of the sunrise, a blooming flower, or a majestic mountain range can evoke an awe, inspiration, and a sense of wonder. These visuals have the power to uplift spirits, reduce stress, and enhance well-being. Second, the sounds of nature. The sound of birds chirping, waves crashing, or wind rustling through the trees create a symphony of natural sounds. These sounds have the soothing effect, promoting relaxation, reducing anxiety, and improving focus. They can also enhance creativity and provide a sense of tranquility. Third, seasonal change. Nature cycles, such as the changing of seasons, communicate the passage of time and the importance of adaptation. The blooming of flowers in the spring, the vibrant colors of the fall foliage, or the stillness of winter all offer lessons about impermanence, resilience, and the need for balance. Fourth, weather patterns. Nature communicates through weather patterns such as rain, sunshine, storms, gentle breezes. These patterns affect human activities, agricultural practices, and even moods. The warmth of the sun can boost mood and energy, while rain can bring nourishment and sense of renewal. Fifth, interconnectedness. Nature shows us interconnectedness of all living beings. Ecosystems demonstrate how plants, animals, and humans rely on one another for survival. The delicate balance of ecosystems teaches us about the importance of conservation, sustainability, and respecting the nature world. 6. Healing and restoration. Spending time in nature has been shown to have numerous benefits for human well-being, from forest bathing to ecotherapy. Nature has the restorative effect on physical, mental, and emotional health. It reduces stress, improves cognitive function, and promotes overall well-being. 7. Inspiration and creativity. Nature's beauty and complexity inspire artists, writers, innovators. Many creative works are influenced by the patterns, colors, and forms found in nature. It fuels imagination and provides a rich source of ideas and inspiration. In summary, nature communicates through its visual splendor, sounds, cycles, weather patterns, and interconnectedness. Its impact on human life is profound, influencing our emotions, well being, creativity, and even our understanding of our place in the world. By fostering a deeper connection with nature, we can cultivate a great appreciation and stewardship for the environment. Wow, that is profound. And I think that if you can take the time to go outside and enjoy the yard for 10-15 minutes a day, you will understand the benefits and you feel happier, you will feel healthier, and you will be inspired because nature has inspired me a lot. And every day I found something to write, I found something to speak about, and it's all inspire me. Thank you so much for listening. Until next time, be well. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give it a thumb up, like to support my channel. Thank you so much.